took longer than I expected. But on the plus side, the headlight now works, so I feel like that is a substantial safety improvement, so that's good. Today we're going to do some live coding on a project that I've worked on before. It's called Frank the Unicorn. It predicts PR comments. Eventually I want to try and get this into Kubeflow. For now, we're just going to be updating it to use slightly better data sources. The old data extraction layer was built in Go manually by Nova, and that's really cool, but we can just directly use the BigQuery table dump thing to achieve success there instead. I got some wonderful coffee. You may have seen Frank the Unicorn before. Nova and I demoed Frank at FOSDEM in Brussels. And so that was kind of cool. And yeah, things are looking okay. I just need to close a few windows really quickly before we get ahead of ourselves. Oh, cool. I was really worried that I scheduled a tweet this morning about this session, but it looks like I didn't. And so that's cool. And so actually we'll tweet about it right now. Okay, come join me for some ML-ish live coding, updating Frank the Unicorn. To new data sources. Okay, so that's great. Hopefully some people will come join, and we'll get some chat messages down here. Or not. Okay, let's close that, and go over here. Pretend that we didn't see this. And solid start to the day. Okay. First thing I'm going to need to do is I did some work locally on this laptop that I don't think I've pushed, which is bad, and I need to get in the habit of always pushing my changes. I will get better at that one of these days at some point in my life. So I'm just going to do a quick git push here. We'll have a few different things to work on. Okay, cool. Okay. Both of these are going to be in their own branches, which we'll check out and work on. Great, and all right, cool. That's good. So first thing we're going to do here is intro to ML with examples. Oh, yay! First message in the chat. Hi, Wagnerbach. Ooh, I don't want to merge this. Oh, damn. What branch am I on? Damn it. Nah, well. Oh, yay! I'm glad that you enjoy these streams. Okay, cool. That being said, I'm going to go git fetch-a. Git branch-a. It's like something about BigQuery. Okay, git checkout update BQ git rebase master. That should work. Okay, not entirely. That's fine. Intro to SparkML. Where is this one? Dataset.sh. Oh yeah, typos galore. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Git rebase dash continue. Lovely. Okay. Force with lease. Great. That's lovely. Okay. So this has our BigQuery queries that we're gonna be using. I'm gonna go ahead and update this to just like a 7. KFG demo 2. Okay. I don't remember where this example is. I think it's okay. Data extraction, GitHub, extract BigQuery. And so there's these collection of these SQL events. So like GitHub push events. You can see these are all of the push events. And what we're going to do is we're going to run all those queries, create them as tables, and we're going to dump those tables into Parquet files that we're going to be able to work with. So we're going to go ahead and kick that one off now. Assuming I'm logged in as the right user, this should work. Nope, I am not logged in as the right user. Not overly surprising. Okay. gcloud auth. Oh wait, no, I am. Damn it. Yeah. Well, I guess that worked. So we're gonna run these queries, and it's gonna put them somewhere nice. So that's cool. Next thing we're gonna want to do is go over here into our other thing, which that one is predict PR comments. This one's Frank. Yeah. Okay. Okay, cool. So we're going to look at our Git log really quickly. I started to redo our case classes to match the data format that we were going to get by dumping BigQuery. And so probably our code doesn't compile anymore. And so that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, cool. I got an email from my dentist saying that our scheduled appointment doesn't work. That's fine. Okay, so we're going to go into the Spark project directory, and we're going to kick off SPT. Yeah. Run clean compile. We'll update our tests while this is running. This one's running. Okay, yeah, this one's running over here. Probably, let me think here. So a lot of the tests that we've got use CSVs for the inputs. Parquet is a better format for representing this for actual use, but for like the tests, I think it'll be really useful to be able to have a CSV of the data. So I'll actually probably end up firing up the Cloud Console, doing the queries there, and just grabbing some CSV outputs, and I'll do that with just a limit 1. And I'm sorry about my farts. Cool. Yeah. That's good. Okay. How's it coming along? Okay, yeah. Clean. Compile, test compile. So we'll start with this. We'll start with getting it to compile, and then we'll go from there. It'll probably give us a bunch of things that aren't super good anymore. That's a good question. I have two, and I have two hooked up to my desktop, and I have two laptops. I don't normally use the laptops when I'm coding on my desktop per se, but because I have a job, I try and just keep my work email and work chat up in the on my work laptop so that I can see what's going on. Cool. So lots of compile errors because I changed everything around. So let's go ahead and start fixing them. Yeah, so I have my work laptop and my personal laptop. I need to put more stickers on my personal laptop. It's new, or new-ish. And that's because of the rules surrounding work and what work can happen where. And so unfortunately, when I'm traveling, I'm one of those people who has to carry two laptops because I have to do pieces of work on different laptops. It's much less cool than you think it is. And actually, it causes me a whole bunch of problems at TSA because TSA PreCheck is really cool, but sometimes when I have two laptops stacked together, they still take everything apart, even with PreCheck. Okay. That being said, let's go back here. Okay, yeah. It's probably actually not checked out yet. Data types.scala. Sure. So this input data here, these names were a little, oh wait, is this actually, this does not look, I did get pushed, but I think I had more changes here on this laptop. Maybe I forgot to commit something before the push. Let me double check. Or save the file here before my push. Oh, damn. Damn, that's true in both of them, actually. Oh, well. Oh, yeah, that's just some white space, though. Actually, doing that's going to be annoying. We'll just stash that. We'll fix the white space differently. Alright, looks like everything is up to date. Unless I didn't save the data types file. I did not. That would be why. Okay. Okay, so we'll go ahead, push that. And we'll come back here. Oh, damn it. Oh, okay. That's still fine though, whatever. So main thing here is this input data is actually comment input data. And actually we're going to be able to get rid of this fetch patches logic. Although we'll actually end up using it somewhere else instead, which is cool. But yeah. So I think this whole caching mechanism isn't going to make sense anymore necessarily, although whatever. Okay. start with fixing the types slowly. 39 errors. Yeah, okay, cool. Input data becomes parsed input data. So yeah, okay. Instead of becoming parsed input data, it is parsed comment input data. Let's just look for input data. Oh, not what I wanted. Damn it. My keyboard is not helping me out tonight. Or this morning, sorry. Yeah, okay, yeah. Oh, no. It's using the key bindings of a different, there. That's cool. Alright. Yeah. Okay. So, realistically, we don't need to fetch patches anymore because they come along for free. So that's exciting. We don't have space-limited comment IDs anymore, so that's exciting too. And yeah, okay. I don't think we have cache data. I don't think it makes sense to have cache data anymore. Don't need patches anymore. And our result data is instead going to be cleaned input data. Yeah, we don't have this anymore. Yeah. Map partitions really isn't doing anything for us anymore. This could just be a regular map. And we're not going to have input comma patch anymore. Actually, yeah, really this... yeah, actually, our result data is really just the clean input data here. I think. So let's... input data. Okay, we're not... loading it from a CSV reader anymore. Session.read.format. Okay. Okay, cool. That's a start. So, oh, and we changed over here our comment positions are now, this is actually an array of, it's an array of named tuples. Spark isn't very smart though, so I think we'll just do array of option int. Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, that looks reasonable. I guess I do want to transform it slightly. I don't really have anything to parse anymore. We have the file paths to parse. So let's parse the file paths then. Although really, yeah. Yeah. All right. Cool. So let's see here. This drops pull request URLs that are more or less bad. Although actually we don't really care about the pull patch URL. Or the pull request URL per se. Well, we care about the pull request URL because we're going to group on that, but we don't need to filter on the pull patch URL anymore. Okay. Yeah. We don't have this anymore. We're not doing space inputs. Yeah, comment commit IDs. Yeah, that's not space limited anymore either. Okay, cool. So that should simplify things a fair amount, I believe. Yeah. Okay. All right, line 78. Okay. So that's so filtered input, pull request URL, pull patch URL, comment positions is up next. Filtered input, comment positions. Filtered input diff hunks. Filtered input comment commit IDs. Filtered input. Comment positions. Oh yeah. Okay. This is option int. Really, I don't know why I did a list rather. funcs that they are associated with. And comments, so diff huncs, file paths, and then commit IDs. Except this is comment file paths. I don't think it's JSON encoded anymore. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Do I need the date? Data fetch.scala line 61. Okay, comment input data. So we don't. So there's this patch extractor, and I kind of want to keep it because I need it, sort of. I'm going to need it later. I don't know why I got rid of the type patch. Let's go. Oh, no, wrong one. Yeah. We actually do care about this. Sort of. Wait. Oh, okay, yeah, so this is the patch extractor. And I do want to change this. Very much so, I think. Wait, is this true? No. This is fine. Yeah, this is to process patches and turn them into something that I can manipulate more easily in Scala. Okay, that's fine. Alright, data fetch line 78. Wait, what? That's weird. Okay, this is, okay, process paths is an input sequence of strings, and it returns a sequence of strings. Anyway, why is it not happy? Found array type expected column. What did it used to be there? What did I fuck up? Oh no, sorry. Oh, that was from JSON. Yeah. So I don't need that anymore. Okay, I don't think. Yeah. That was the return type for the JSON parser. Cool. Down to 12 compile errors. That's exciting. Okay. Spark uses Joda datetime for the most part. Joda datetime. I don't. Oh, thanks, Subiar, I guess. Yeah, we'll just use Joda datetime because whatever. I think that's the one. Oh, right. That's going to be in data types. Let's hope that works. Cool. Data fetch 168. Oh, cool. It looks like Restream's chat thing is not picking up the YouTube chats. So I guess I'll just keep an eye on the YouTube chats manually. Yeah, it'll be good. Alright, cool. Wait, what time is it? Oh, it's only noon. Great. I got tons of time. Hopefully I can fix all the compile errors before I have to take the drugs, which make my brain not work so great. For the other things I'm going to do tonight. Well, no, this afternoon. Okay, line 68. Cool. Yeah, don't need that UDF anymore. Oh, I didn't need to do clean compile. Damn it. Oh well, whatever. That's fine. I'm gonna put on some light music. Oh, out of 10. 10 is not so bad, realistically. You know. Yeah. So fundamentally, we're changing the. Oh. Yeah. Okay. That's. Sorry. You know what music I listen to now. No, fuck. Why do I have so many? Maybe this one? Nice. Okay. Whoa. Way too loud, but that's okay. Oh man. Okay. Okay, let's go find our fetch patches. So we don't need to do this anymore. I'm gonna use it later. I'm trying to decide what I want to do with this fetch patches stuff. I think I'm going to make a patch fetcher. Because I know I want to use this later for this other thing. this is not... Ooh, well... For now, we're just going to make this data frames. We'll add the types back later. Oh, cool. Thanks, Kay. So what I'm doing right now is I'm refactoring this giant pile of code, the data pipeline, to match a different schema that I think is going to make it easier to do some of the downstream work that I had. And it'll also put a little less load on GitHub, which is good, because I was unnecessarily fetching some things from GitHub that were in the input data set that I could just use directly. Yeah, so we're going to move all of this. Ooh, yeah, this is almost all of that. Okay. Actually, yeah, that is all of that. Okay, cool. So this has got a lot of logic to do fairly simple things. It has all of this logic because it tries to do this patch fetching concurrently. This is not fetching the patches. This is fetching the BigQuery comment results. This says fetch the GitHub PR diffs, but we don't do that really anymore. Fetch the yeah. Yeah. Okay. That sounds reasonable, I want to say. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I'm getting distracted a lot. I need to drink my coffee more. Oh. All right. Damn it! Run clean again, unnecessarily. How many lines of code have I written to get this fluency? I don't know. It's a reasonable question. I've been working in Scala for the better part of 6 years, I'd say. So a while. A while. Yeah, to me. This is... My brain thinks... I really like Scala because for me it's a language that matches a lot of how I think about the world. And part of that is like it's one of the early languages in my career. Like I started using it back at Foursquare a long time ago. And so it feels very natural to me because I've worked with it for so long. But I also realize that it's not actually really all that natural. Okay, so also I'm doing a refactor, and refactors can make it seem like when you know the code that you're refactoring from, it's easier because you've already solved the problem once before. You're just making it better. Maybe. I don't think we need patch record anymore in here, or at least we shouldn't. Alright, whatever. Yeah, 6 years. Cool. So let's start cleaning this up. So first thing, result data doesn't exist anymore. Our input is now actually just going to be a parse comment input data. Left out some imports in our patch fetcher. We'll need loaners. Oh yeah, okay. Frame with data frame. Yeah. I need to actually set up Zoom nicely on this machine because Hangouts is not cutting it for the times I need to collaborate with people. No, okay. Did I not bring that over? I thought I brought it all over. No, looks like I forgot that function. And this just allows us to fetch the patches in parallel. parallel. We use a buffered future iterator since different requests may complete at different rates. Cool. Patch fetcher line 46. Really? Okay, so here we're going to see me Google something because I don't remember. Scala type parameter subclass. Yeah, okay, so I think I can do this. Has patch URL. No, not quite what I want. I want my memory is not quite what it once was. Did that do what I want? Looks pretty close. Okay, and so we are actually going to return yeah, I think. Okay, let's go look at def fetch patch. Okay, and it's actually pull patch URL, pull patch URL. Make that type match. 948. I really need to move this speaker so I can see what the line number is that I'm jumping to. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay. Down to 9 arrows. Great. Patch fetcher. Line 35. Okay. Now. I guess for now, we'll just say dataset row stored patch. That's I mean, URL. So this would be dataset of type t stored patch. Fetch patches iterator. That's confusing, because this... It's getting... Well, whatever. For now, that's fine. We can revisit the types later. I think val fetch patch for URL. Okay. This is inside of... Oh, serving. So I actually do use this in serving too. Okay, yeah. So data fetch. This is patch fetcher. Cool. It's good progress. We're going to go over to training pipeline. So we've got, is it comment patch record? Parsed comment input data. I think. Okay. 163. Here we go. Okay. 217. $9,285. Wait, really? Oh, okay, yeah. This is gonna take a while to refactor this bit here. Yeah, okay, so comments. Comments on commits with file. So not quite what I want anymore. Is it? Well, actually, this. Why am I making an immutable hash set though? I don't. Well, okay. Labeled record we want to change is one of the things. So let's go ahead and do that. This is going to become line text. It's the line. This is the commit ID. That's the offset. And I think what I want to do is block text. And this is because I can't do case class inheritance super easily. At least I don't think so. Whatever. Oh yeah. Okay. Line text. Block text. Oh, cool. Someone's calling me. Who's calling me? It's like 12:30. Let me go find my phone. I'll be right back. Oh, well. Actually, you know what? If it's important, they can leave a voicemail. And that's probably easier for me. I don't think I had anything scheduled for noon, but if I did, it's a weird time to call anyways, so I feel like I'm fine. Oh. Alright, it's my dentist trying to reschedule. They can, wait, I want to write code. Yeah. Does this sound reasonable? Okay, well, whatever. So I wanna tokenize this downstream. We'll deal with that. Cool. Later. I think. Cool. This has got some weird stuff in it. That we're gonna eventually refactor out, I think. I think we'll rename training pipeline to feature prep pipeline, and we'll make the other part separate, because this is too big. Okay. That being said, yeah, let's go find our patch extractor. Okay, so sequence of patch records, and I want to change what the patch records are. Right? Or no? No, this is fine. I don't think I want this for now. Okay, so whatever. We're gonna do our... Yeah. Okay, yeah. Actually, we do want to change this. Yeah. Old pos, new pos. And this is going to be block text. So, process a given patch, you don't want to look inside this. That's true, probably. Oh god, that's a pile of regular expressions. I want to pretend doesn't yeah. Yeah, context lines. So this is I'm gonna cheat a little bit to array zip with index. Yeah, okay, whatever. And then first in, first out queue, Scala, fixed size, FIFO queue. Scala mutable queue. Okay, Scala collection mutable queue. Yeah, so it is FIFO. Okay, first in, first out, so that's fine. Queue of type string. Yeah, that's probably going to be null. And when we get to scene diff, well, actually, we could just construct it. DQ. Okay, yeah. DQ all. Same thing for block header. This is a really annoying state machine that they don't really like. Yeah. Okay, previous line, DQ all. I don't know. Okay. Okay. The question is, do I want the line or the line text? I think the line is fine. Next, we care about the lines leading up to this line, conceivably. So we'll rename this block text to previous lines. This will be an array of strings. Okay, yeah. But I still, okay, so here's some context about the problem that I'm working on. We're trying to predict PR comments, like where they would be. And like, I think predicting in a block would be easier, maybe, but maybe this is okay. I don't know. This isn't a very principled design, as you can see right now. Like, whether or not I leave a comment on a line could definitely depend on the next line. So I definitely, so in theory, yeah, I should always have a next line because I'm going to have some context. Okay. Oh, no, I might not. Yeah, we'll do this for now, and we can revisit this later. I think that's I think that's acceptable. Yeah. Okay. Where was I? All right. Context lines. Three, right? Let's say that. If previous q dot length is greater than context lines same thing for removed lines, and same thing for context lines. Yeah. I mean, it's previous lines-ish, because we'll actually contain the current line. But whatever. Okay, then we output patch record in these cases. Okay. Do we... Yeah. I think this is not unreasonable. So we'll go ahead and do this. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Lines from header. Okay, so patch record has a commit ID, an old position, a new position, some number of lines from my header, the line text, the file name. All right, so previous lines, which is going to be previous q dot to array, yeah. Same thing over here. Cool. Okay. That looks not entirely unreasonable. But I went down a rabbit hole that I didn't necessarily need to go down. Yeah, okay. I can't spell for shit, can I? Previous. Q. Oh, I need to import the Scala mutable Q collection. Yep. Oh. Yeah, I don't actually... I'm not actually using the index, although I could... Why not? Because, you know... Previous tokenized text. Okay. Oh, we don't output context lines. Yeah, because people probably don't comment on context lines as much as other lines. That makes sense already. Okay. Okay. Next lines is equal to yeah, okay. I think that sounds almost reasonable. Let's try that. Let's see if it compiles. Sometimes I get Python and Scala mixed up though, so that might not... Scala range index array. No, I guess it's dot slice. Fine. previous queue. I don't know, I don't want this to be, I really don't care. I just want it to throw it away. No, I don't want to do partial application. Oh, okay. I guess I need to give it a function. Def is regular line. If this is not a diff line. Index, regex, underscore. Block header, regex, and then added line, removed line, and otherwise it is true. So then we'll just say, yep. This is like close enough. It doesn't have to be like super accurate, I think, whatever. Let's go diff command. Okay, patch extractor line 100. We have a commit ID. Okay, let's go. So this is a commit ID. Yep, old position, new position. Lines. Previous lines, type array, string, text. Next lines is type array, string. We don't have block text anymore. Okay, yeah. And so our patch lines are actually going to be different over here. So in our training pipeline, input.diffhunks.map yeah? Parse comment input data. Is it diff underscore hunks? Data. Yeah, it is, yeah. This is because, yeah. Multiple languages. Cool, that's good enough. I think. Training pipeline, line 311. Okay, cool. So labeled record. Previous lines. Patch record dot. Next lines. Think. We'll do this distinct call later. Logged a USB device by accident. Okay. Previous lines, line text, next lines, file name. Wait, really? A record has been commented on. Yes, okay. Yes. Okay, so val patch lines comments patch lines dot zip input dot comments position. Okay, patch records, and this is records comments. Val. Okay, here we go. Old line. Comments.map. Comment file paths. Yeah. Actually, I really want to put those two together instead of, yeah. Comments file name. File names dot map. Oof. Flat map this position dot okay, p file name. Accept new comment position. Yeah, okay, that looks pretty close. Although there is, I'm gonna set immutable hash set. Okay, that's how we construct it. Okay, does that look reasonable? Record has been commented on. So this, yeah, we're just going to rehydrate this code. We don't have commit IDs. We don't need the commit IDs anymore. I don't think, because we're getting different hunks. Yeah, we're fine. Comments with new line. Okay, there we go. Yeah. I think that's reasonably close to what I want. Seems like what I want. Patch line with comments. Patch lines with comments. Oh, yeah. So this is going to be initial records. Initial records. Oh yeah, and I don't want that extraction. Okay, these types are starting to get a little funky. So we don't actually really have patch records anymore, though. Okay, yeah. So this isn't so much patch. I mean, I guess it's patch line. And we have patch records coming out here, yeah. We've got comment file names. Ooh. Alright. So yeah. Okay. I'm gonna cheat a little bit here. But not at. That's 86. Let's filter out lines which are not. Which are close to comments, but not comments. So first would be not record has been commented on, patch record. this is just, it's kind of a hack. But like, hopefully this will make our training set a little nicer downstream. I don't know if it actually will. Yeah, okay. Let's go run compile again. Not found patch record, but I put that back in data types, didn't we? Patch record. Oh, I didn't have that import anymore. Maybe? Oh, okay, yeah, line 311. So, oh, this is patch lines with comments. Yeah, okay. Oh, I also kind of want to... I want to try doing a sequence-to-sequence model at the same time to predict the comment text, so we're going to need that. Oh, fuck, which we have not stored anywhere. I need to think about this for a spell. Well, we could plug them through the comment text. Let's do that separately, because that's just going to be a purely additive thing, and we can come back to that. Let's get this thing working as is for now. Line 316, okay. So my theory is this should be an array, or this should, I mean, not actually, but let's, no, damn it, fucking. Okay. Okay, so patch lines with comments. So patch records. Oh, actually, the type there, I just wanted to make sure that that wasn't what was going on. Construct 2 hash sets so we can look up if it's been commented on. Okay, wait, what's it saying I can't map on? Line 3, line 316. Comment file name. Wait, do I not have... Huh. Oh, yeah, each of these... Let's go look at the... Okay. Pull request review comment event. Huh. So that is the diff hunk for that comment specifically. Okay. Yeah. Do I still want to fetch the full patches though then? I feel like I do. And then a lot of this code is kind of annoying, and I want to bring it back. Sort of. Yeah. Yeah. damn it. I do kind of want the full patch too. Right. Okay, here's the question that I need to answer for myself. / we need to go look up bSQL. Cool. And author equals 1K. I guess actor, let's try that. Huh, wait, what? No. Okay, whatever. I want to see what the diff hunk is that we're getting back. Yeah. Actually, 5 might not be enough. Sorry. Okay. Well, here we go. Okay. Yeah. Damn it, we do need the full patches that I ripped all that out. Fuck. Oh. well, let's try and refactor incomplete to avoid fetching diff hunks from GitHub. Okay. We're going to want to add the I'm gonna wrap up in about 15 minutes, I think. Oh, good evening. Hi, JB. Yeah. So I tried to do some refactoring, but it looks like the data doesn't look quite like I thought it did, so I'm gonna end up backing a bunch of it out, which is unfortunate. But that's also, that's the joys of life. Okay, so this is pretty close, but I do still want to fetch okay, yeah, wait. Okay, this is probably pretty close to what I want, actually. So we're going to go back to training pipeline. Yeah. So initial records with comments. Okay. We're going to end up taking yeah. This would probably kill most of them. All of the things. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and move this back up. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay, okay. Yeah, let's give it a name. Names make things better, or at least they do for me. Record.oldpos equals comment file names _1 comment position for new pos. Okay, cool. And then so we'll do patch lines. We had a zip all or something in the past, right? Def zip or no, okay, dot zip. Yeah, zip all was okay. Dot zip. Input dot diff. Okay, and then this is going to be diff honk. Okay, there we go. I think. Ugh. Oh, okay, yeah. We actually probably really yeah. should be diff hunk, not diff hunks. Oh, okay. I'm gonna wrap up now. I meant to stop around 1:30. So some of the refactor is a little annoying because I need to produce I've got. Sorry, let me try and backtrack. So I've got these commit comment IDs, comment commit IDs, and that's good. Because the patches that we were fetching didn't always have all of the commits, especially if someone had done a force push on it afterwards. So we'll be able to more accurately resolve the lines. That's good. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to do something actually on the processing of diff hunks in my cleaning. I'm going to go ahead and leave myself a comment about that. Oh, that's just data types, so I'm going to go data fetch. We probably need a UDF. I think this is a UDF here to extract this. To extract diff hunks. So we'll add that. That'll be good, I think. And I'll put back in the part where we fetch all the patches so that we can generate the negative examples as well. Because right now, the pipeline will be able to generate more correct positive examples, but we don't have any negative examples. So that's not going to be a very useful machine learning pipeline. And we might as well also, just while we're at it, in our data types, array of type string, comment text, array of type string. Okay, and we're also probably going to want to filter out the actor of Frank the Unicorn. We'll make a note of that in our vSQL. Or at the very least, yeah, for now, well, we definitely want the user who made it as part of our pipeline. Yeah, okay, so, well, yeah, okay, so support this later. To get the user, and then we can do something inside of Frank the Unicorn. No, okay. So that's some progress. Not great. I'll probably keep working on this tonight, is my guess. Yeah. And I'll just be restoring a lot of the refactoring that I did that it turns out wasn't so great. But with that, thanks for joining me. I hope you all have a lovely Wednesday or Thursday or whatever day it is. It might be Thursday. And I'll see you all around. Maybe I'll see you later on tonight. All right. Oh, I can move this. And I'll try and fix Restream.